What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
I'm Christy.
And I'm Kate.
And this little dude just turned 7 years old, which is crazy to think because when we started traveling, he was only 3. And we've spent his last 4 birthdays on the road, many in different states. We've spent 1 in Arizona, 2 in Texas, right?
Yep.
And now
We're kind of full circle back in Maryland.
And now we just celebrated his 7th birthday back here in Maryland.
You've lost a tooth? I mean, a lot of stuff's happening here.
Our little dude is getting older.
It's Cade's choice what we were going to make today. And what did you choose?
Cinnamon rolls in the pizza oven.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. So we're going to be baking our cinnamon rolls in a cast iron pan. So before we get started, I'm going to throw that in the Leggero Pizza Oven just to get it preheated. All right, so the first thing we need to do now is get our dough laid out and ready to roll. Slide that way. If you guys have watched our videos before, you know that we love using our pre-made puff pastry. All right, the next thing we need to do, buddy, is create our cinnamon sugar mixture. So we're gonna take a bowl. So we got 3 tablespoons of white sugar, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Pour that.
It's a little bit cold out here.
We've got a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and then we've got a teaspoon of kosher salt. Need some help? Hey, let me help you real quick.
What the heck is with that thing?
Wow.
Not a lot of moisture in the air today.
I must have packed it really well.
Well, I mean, with those guns,
It's
easy to do.
I'm a good eater, you know. Now that we've got our cinnamon sugar mixed up, it's time to brush our puff pastry with some melted butter. Can you spoon some of our cinnamon sugar mixture onto the dough? All right, you know what? Let's pour some of this on there and
That's
then
what I was
sort of
thinking.
spread it out. It's always more fun when you get to make your own birthday treats, right, buddy?
Uh-huh. So we just tried to make like a big old cinnamon roll?
Yep,
Like a big roll up?
that's right.
Like a burrito but made out of cinnamon and pastry?
That's right.
All right, now that we've got our cinnamon sugar all spread out, it's time to roll it up. And I'm gonna square off our ends. Get a super sharp knife here. And then we're just gonna slice our rolls all the way down, I guess about an inch and a half wide. We are going to get our cast iron pan out of the oven, and I'm gonna put a quick layer of butter on it. A little extra butter never hurt. We're going to put our cinnamon rolls, spread them out a little bit because they will puff up. All right, Bubba, you ready to throw these in the oven? Now it's time to make our glaze, our icing, okay? So we've got a cup of powdered sugar. Can you pour that in the bowl, buddy? We are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to pour a little bit of milk in there.
Easiest glaze icing ever.
It's so easy and it's so good.
Well, it's all sugar, it should be.
All right, these are smelling about ready. I'll let the handle come around here. Pull them out. Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look
That's hot.
how awesome. Oh, these smell
They smell
and
so
look
good.
so delicious.
All right, buddy. Here comes the best part. We're gonna put some glaze on them. You can hear it sizzle on the hot cast iron.
Yeah.
Trying to make a really cool
Pattern, but it's just
glaze
melting
pattern, but
away.
it's just melting right over all of them. That's all right.
I love this pizza oven.
All right.
You guys, these look so good.
All right.
I really am so impressed.
All right, birthday boy, you ready?
What one are you going for?
This one. Oh, do you see the bottom?
I know, do you see all that cinnamon sugar goodness? It might be hot.
Oh my god.
It's phenomenal. Like, this puff pastry is so delicious.
The pastry puffs up, and as you can see, it fills out the pan.
Perfectly.
And it tastes so
These
good.
are so good.
I'm not doing those store-bought ones ever again. Well, we thank you guys for watching. Make sure you definitely try these out. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Taylor, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.